Hello and welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing as presented by National Weather Service Pocatello for Sunday, June 5th. This is what you'll see in this presentation. We have low pressure in the northeastern Pacific. It will continue to send weak pressure troughs inland through the Pacific Northwest and into the Gem State. And there are showers and thunders expected each afternoon and evening, at least somewhere in central or eastern Idaho. Through Tuesday afternoon, and so this is the breakdown. Today we're expecting them pretty much everywhere, even including the eastern Magic Valley. At least showers there, thunderstorms perhaps not. But Monday it'll be limited to more areas from Stanley northward and in areas north and east of Pocatello. So southwestern part of the forecast area won't be getting very much at all. And then Tuesday, it'll really be limited to just the eastern highlands, and especially on the western side in central Idaho, we ought to clear out and we'll start already warming up. We're also looking for afternoon breezy conditions, but do look for windy conditions in the Arco Desert and, say, Craters of the Moon area this afternoon. And then on Tuesday night, we are returning to clear skies for most, and that will continue at least until early Saturday morning. And the only place that really, when I say for most, the only place until Saturday that's looking at any sort of precipitation threat is basically areas north of Island Park and along the Montana border. Here's a satellite image showing, first of all, you can see a lot of valley fog before it gets covered up by the cirrus shield as it moves in. So here's our next one where the clouds really thicken up in here. So this is making its way across. Currently showers are as far east when this briefing was made early this morning, are into eastern Oregon, and those should be spreading and be reaching central Idaho by the morning hours. All right, so this is the outlook. You can see showers and at least a slight chance of thunderstorms for pretty much all locations, and at least a slight chance showers. And showers are likely in the eastern highlands, the Wood River area, and even categorical in Sawtooth and Lemhi, though that's mostly in the morning where it will change over to sort of scattered showers for the afternoon. And then on Monday, you can see some areas are starting to clear, like the Magic Valley and Wood River area, and considerably less of a threat. Lemhi County has a chance, and the Snake Plain has a chance of showers, and showers are likely in the eastern highlands, but everywhere else that has showers, it's just a slight chance. And then by Tuesday, you can see it's just the eastern highlands with a slight chance of both showers and thunderstorms. And then on Wednesday, it's pretty much limited to the Montana border, and there are no thunderstorms expected, just showers. And then on Thursday, there's a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, once again, just for the eastern highlands. All right, so let's look at the first 3 days in detail. As you can see, it's outlining central Idaho mountains as having mixed precipitation. It is true there is some light snow that will be falling periodically, but that's at elevations in excess of 8,000 feet. So below that, don't expect anything. And don't expect any accumulations. Even above 8,000 feet, it will warm above freezing, and any production of snow will be limited. And then there's rain and thunderstorms, as you can see, pretty much everywhere except maybe east of the Bear Lake area. All right, so here is how the rainfall will break out. So here it is through 6 p.m., starting at 6 a.m. this morning. And you can see some places won't be getting much in the way of precipitation at all. It'll be just a trace, places like Arco and INL. And for the most part in the valley, it's less than 1/10 of an inch, and then 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch in the central Idaho mountains, and 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch in the highlands to the east and to the south. And then tonight it continues, not as intense. Most locations staying below 1/10 of an inch, unless you're west of a Salmon Stanley line, really. Here's what the winds will be doing. You can see 35 to 40 miles an hour in the dark orange over the INL property and in the Arco Desert. And the really gusty winds of 30 reach as far as to the southwest as craters of the moon. And then a few ridges in the central Idaho mountains are also carrying gusty winds like that. But elsewhere, the gusts will be considerably less. And here are the high temperatures for today. You can see we are continuing a cooling trend. We will struggle to get to 70 degrees today with all the cloud cover, with just a few limited areas in the eastern Magic Valley reaching that number. Everywhere else, mostly in the 60s and upper 50s. All right, here's the outlook for Monday. You can see the areas of precipitation much reduced. Basically just the northern areas and mostly along the Montana border. So here you can see on Monday where the precipitation is expected. And it's really light, especially once you get south of Ashton. Here are the winds for Monday afternoon. You can see not quite as strong, but still a widespread area of 30 to 35 mile an hour winds and reaching all the way to at least the Roberts area and as far to the southwest as very close to Shoshone. High temperatures on Monday. Either of these 2 days is when we'll be bottoming out. You can see some of the temperatures in the central Idaho mountains are already starting to warm, whereas they've sort of leveled off or maybe even gotten a little bit cooler in the Snake River Plain and in the eastern highlands. All right, and then here's Tuesday. You can see the precipitation, for the most part, has cleared the area. There's just a slight chance, as I said, in the very northeast corner of our forecast area. The total rainfall amounts, this is through, when it says Wednesday, that should be Wednesday morning, 6 a.m. So this is for 72 hours. And you can see really not a whole lot of places even reaching half an inch, in widespread areas staying below a tenth of an inch for all 3 days from Sunday morning until Wednesday morning. Here are the wind gusts for Tuesday. You can see the winds are finally dying down. And you can see the wind shift to the northwest. And the temperatures for Tuesday, you can see we have started to rebound. Not much. It's only anywhere from 2 to 5 degrees, but it is on the upward scale. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at the telephone number here at the bottom of this slide, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.